नमस्कार दोस्तों, ये क्विज सीरीज में हम लोग वर्ल्ड बैंक एंड आईएमएफ का बारे में जानेंगे। तो आइए क्विज शुरू करते हैं। तो हियर इज योर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। द वर्ल्ड बैंक वाज एस्टैब्लिश ऑन, तो ऑप्शन इज 1944, 1945, 1947 and 1950. So let's see the right option. Yes, it was established on 1944. So let's see another question. Which of the following institution is not a part of the World Bank? IBDR, IDA, ICSID, WHO. कुछ गेस कर पाए आपने? So let's see the right option. Yes, it is who is not part of World Bank. देखिए, वर्ल्ड बैंक ग्रुप इज कंप्राइज ऑफ 5 इंस्टीट्यूशन। ठीक है, फर्स्ट है इंटरनेशनल बैंक फॉर रिकंस्ट्रक्शन एंड डेवलपमेंट IBRD, इंटरनेशनल डेवलपमेंट एसोसिएशन IDA, द इंटरनेशनल फाइनेंस कॉरपोरेशन IFC, द मल्टीलेटरल इन्वेस्टमेंट गारंटी एजेंसी MIGA एंड इंटरनेशनल सेंटर फॉर सेटलमेंट ऑफ इन्वेस्टमेंट डिस्प्यूट्स ICSID. So let's go for next question. Which of the following statement is correct? IMF is a part of World Bank. India was not a founder member of the World Bank. Every member of the IMF is automatically becomes the member of the World Bank. Or the World Bank has 50 founder members. So let's see the right option. Yes, it means every members of the IMF is automatically becomes the member of the World Bank. So let's see the next question. Headquarter of the World Bank is in Tokyo, Washington DC, Toronto, New York. Yes, your right option is Washington DC. Here is question number 5. The value of special drawing rights SDR is determined by the basket of how many currencies? 3, 4, 5 and 6. Can you guess how many currencies? Yes, it is 5 currencies. ठीक है, तो क्या है? The value of special drawing rights is determined by the basket of how many currencies? ये 5 है. What are these? The currencies are US dollar, Japanese yen, British pound, Chinese yuan and euro. So what is SDR? It is one kind of international money, okay, created by International Monetary Fund in 1969 and defined as the weighted average of various convertible currencies. Okay, so let's go for next question. Which of the following currencies has the largest weightage in the determination of value of SDR? Special drawing rights: US dollar, British pound, euro or Japanese yen? Yes, it is US dollar. So next question, when was IMF established? This is December 27, 1944, January 27, 1945, December 27, 1945, June 27, 1945. Yes, it is June 27, 1945. Let's go for next question. Here question number 8. Where the IMF headquarters located? Bretton Woods, Geneva, Washington DC and New York. So let's see the right option. Yes, it is Washington DC. Which of the following is known as paper gold? Japanese yen, special drawing rights, US dollar, British pound. Yes, it is SDR, special drawing rights. Let's go for next question. What percentage of member countries make public the IMF report about their country? 90%, 75%, 30%, or below 50%. Yes, it is 90%. Let's go for next question. Question number 11. What is the lowest interest rate that the IMF charge on its different loans to member countries? 5%, 3%, 0% and 2%. क्या हो सकता है दोस्तों? So let's see the right option. Yes, it is 0%. Let's go for next question. How much does the IMF dedicate to countries' capacity development from its overall budget? 10%, 20%, 50% and 30%. Yes, it is 30%. Total member countries of IMF are 190, 202, 175 and 189. Let's see the right answer. Yes, it is 189, the member of IMF at present. Let's see the next question. Voting rights in the International Monetary Fund is determined on the basis of one country, one vote, proportion to contribution given by each country, contribution to foreign trade by the countries और size of the economy. क्या हो सकता है दोस्तों? So let's see the right option. Yes, it is size of the economy. इकोनॉमी का जो साइज है उसी का हिसाब से उनका वोटिंग राइट्स डिटरमाइन होते हैं. Regarding International Monetary Fund, which one of the following statement is correct? It can grant loan to any country. Number B, it can grant loans to only developing country. It can grant loans to the central bank of a country. And number D, it can grant loans to member countries. So let's see. Yes. So IMF basically give loan to the central bank of a country only. So let's see the next question. Very interesting question. The World Bank is a recognized member of United Nations Development Groups, United Nations Development Council, United Nations Security Council, United Nations General Assembly. किसने रिकॉग्नाइज किया था? So let's see the right option. Yes, it is United Nations Development Groups. Yes, first country who has received the loan from the World Bank is, yes friends, can you guess? One is India, number B United Kingdom, number C is France and number D Germany. कौन सा कंट्री है जो फर्स्ट लोन लिया था फ्रॉम वर्ल्ड बैंक? So let's see the right option. Yes, it is France. ठीक है दोस्तों, आज ये वर्ल्ड बैंक एंड IMF क्विज सीरीज में इतना ही. फिर मिलेंगे अगले वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए थैंक यू.